Around the world, going green is taking center stage. It's more economically sensible and environmentally important than ever. Renewable energy is enjoying unprecedented growth. But there's one market segment that remains largely untapped: solar heating. SolarLogic is going to change that. We're taking solar heating mainstream. We're here at a house in Placitas, New Mexico, where SolarLogic has installed one of its control systems, the SLIC. That's SolarLogic Integrated Controller. The SLIC is the first software-based controller that seamlessly integrates solar heat, domestic hot water, and the necessary backup systems to provide a complete solution for the homeowner, and with maximum energy savings. But more importantly, it turns a complicated heating system into one that any heating contractor can design and install. It's connected to the internet so that the homeowner, the installer, or SolarLogic can access it remotely. Through a maintenance contract with the homeowner, if there's ever a failure, we at SolarLogic can know about it first. We can diagnose the problem and send a service technician to repair it, maybe even before the homeowner knows there's something wrong.
From here at SolarLogic, I can see all the system parameters and adjust them as needed to make sure the system's operating as efficiently as possible. And so can the homeowner from their home computer or any computer connected to the internet. If they leave for vacation and forgot to turn down their thermostats, with a few clicks they can do that from their hotel room. Or they can put the whole house in solar-only mode, which prevents the system from burning any backup fuel unless there's a risk of freezing.
The SLIC is how we've made control simpler and more effective. But also, up until now, designing the piping of a solar heating system has required too much training and has kept contractors out of the market. Our other flagship product solves that bottleneck. It's called the /D. This is the SolarLogic Laboratory. Based on 30 years of solar heating experience of our Chief Technical Officer, we're developing a web-based service that will walk installers through the design process and deliver a set of plans to them from just a small amount of job information.
With just a few days of training, any installer can use /D to create a complete SolarLogic heating system. The installer uploads job information to SolarLogic over the internet, then receives the system diagram, parts list, SLIC controller, SolarLogic thermostats, program settings, and manuals. The installer buys the rest of the components from their local suppliers and then installs the heating system. SolarLogic commissions the system over the internet. Contractors are not limited to using SolarLogic just in new construction. The system works just as well in retrofits. It's easily adaptable to radiant warm floors, hot water baseboards, and just about any other heating system.
What I love about our business model is that everyone wins. Manufacturers and distributors sell more product, installers expand their business because they can offer clients renewable energy heating systems, and homeowners save money on their utility bills and reduce their carbon footprint. This is a virtually untapped market. Our initial target is homes with radiant heating because they are uniquely well matched to the temperatures of solar collectors, and because the number of new homes with radiant heating has been increasing steadily for over 15 years. In 2007, over 10% of homes were built with radiant heat. Heat and hot water comprise over 60% of residential energy usage, and with solar heating 5 times more efficient than solar electricity, the choice for the consumer should be solar heating. And SolarLogic products make that choice a reality.
Our marketing efforts will make direct contact with all stakeholders: architects, builders, heating contractors, and homeowners. Rather than push our products and services on the consumer, we'll use an informational approach to convey their transformational value.
The hard part is done. We've got first-generation product installed in homes in the Southwest with satisfied homeowners. By the end of 2010, we'll be ready for full product launch. The City of Santa Fe has already given us their vote of confidence with a major R&D grant. We've been right on target with our timeline and our milestones so far. Our mission is nothing short of revolutionizing solar heating. Come join us.